Hello, I'm Muskan Sahu from Team Biomes, the prosthetic that adapts for you. With increasing number of amputations happening in India, the technology to make prosthesis more comfortable and adaptive has been lagging behind. Even if the technology is present, it is much beyond the means of a common man, and hence we present our solution, our product, Biomes, the prosthetic that adapts for you. Here is the business plan. Firstly, the roadmap. In 2019, we'll be having a product development. In 2020, the testing. 2021, reaching out. 2022, collaborating with hospitals. 2023, a backward integration. 2024, expanding to plan India market. In the next slide, you can see our estimated cost. The right table determines the acquisition cost. The acquisition comes out to be around 2.5 thousand rupees per customer. The table on the left shows the cost price. It comes out to be 17,000 rupees for each Biomes. Here is the worst case scenario for our financial model. After 60 months, we'll be earning 325,000 rupees of total margin. In the best case scenario, after 60 months, we'll be earning 460,000 rupees of a total margin every month. Customer acquisition. For customer acquisition, we'll be mainly focusing to collaborate with Jaipur Leg to create co-branded products for better reach. Apart from that, we'll be having a lot of reward points and offers for our customer acquisition. Here's a list of things that we'll be doing. Manufacturing growth. The graph below will show how we'll be increasing the number of 3D printers, employees, workshops in accordance to the number of orders of each month. Also, subsequently, you can see that the margin has also been increased. We'll be analyzing the amount of orders for 2 to 3 consecutive months before increasing our inventory. Budget allocation. The numbers in the slides denote the amount that we'll be using in percentage of our profit margin. The pull factor, the comfort, the adaptability, customization, the price, the durability, and the services that we offer as a company of Biomes are just unbeatable. Utilization of seed fund. The numbers in each slide denote the amount that we'll be using in lakhs. Business sustainability. Now, how will our business be sustainable? Firstly, it will be commercially successful because Biomes is available at a very affordable price with unbeatable functionality. Secondly, the raw product availability. Biomes is made up of readily available and sustainable components unlikely to be exhausted or bad. Third, evolution. The product in itself learns the user's movements, and we as a company are also moving to improve the algorithms and materials for future products. The revival capacity, since we'll be collaborating with insurance companies also so that they give our Biomes under a discounted price and include Biomes in their insurance cover, we will be popular even during economic dip. Lastly, the undepleting market that we have, because the number of people needing prosthesis has been on a rise. Also, the number of people embracing technology for comfortable prosthesis has also been increased. Hence, we have an undepleting market.
The manufacturing for the most part will be done in India. That includes casting of the prosthetic leg, which will be either of aluminum or other composite materials, designing of in-house actuators to actuate the leg, and getting personalized stumps from various hospitals in India. So here's the demonstration of the final product which we're working on. As you can see, using an inline actuator, the actuation of knee is taking place to actuate the whole leg. Here's the knee which we have manufactured using mild steel. This has been molded out and it is carrying out the motion of actuation for the whole leg. The upgradability of our product is classified into 4 phases, wherein in the initial phases the size and form of the knee will be decreased, and in the later phases we will switch to an AI algorithm on a single board computer for additional computation, and eventually we'll also actuate the foot motion of the prosthetic.
Innovation. The kind of innovation that we are bringing in business is remarkable. Firstly, the business model. Present-day companies do not penetrate deep into the Indian market because they do not integrate with the medical community, whereas we will be collaborating with hospitals and doctors and involving them in the curation phase for better penetration. Also, the process. The companies that are using, they have a set of people on which they test, and they have a lab to maintain, which increases the cost of the product. Whereas Biomes, in this we'll be having our leg learn the movements of the user itself. So the Biomes becomes customized for each customer, and the cost of development also decreases. Our revenue model. In the present day scenario, prosthetics are purchased as a single payment, no EMI options, and prostheses do not have a maintenance service available, whereas we are offering Biomes at an EMI basis Also, we'll be giving annual, biannual subscriptions for maintenance for anytime troubleshooting. Also, according to the marketing strategy that the other companies are using, they are not tapping on the opportunities which are available for minimal cost that we will be using, like conferences and technology sections, in order to gain popularity in the medical section. Also, they do not target a centric marketing plan, whereas will be using paragames and other specific events for our target audience. Also, the sustainability that we are providing. So we'll be collecting old and worn out biomes from our customers and giving them reward points for that collection, while reusing these raw materials to make new biomes. Also, we'll be using opportunities on days like Earth Day, Environment Day, etc., and create awareness while promoting biomes. Also, we'll be using only the required equipments for measurement and manufacturing, so that not only we save on money but also on power. Thank you.